For the main grab pack, you will need a backpack small, 6 small flashlights, and 2 plungers, hookshots, and crossbows. First, you will need your 6 flashlights and your small backpack. Stick flashlights on either side of the backpack, like so. Grab yourself some goop first, though. Alright, now grab 2 more pieces of goop and 2 more flashlights, and make a little elbow like so. Now, stick your 2 remaining flashlights to the 3rd and 4th ones. How many times have I said flashlight this tutorial? I don't know, someone will probably comment it below. Alright, now clean up the goop if you want, but definitely save it at this point. It's a really good idea. Now onto the handles. Grab yourself some more goop. And stick 2 crossbows on there as straight as you possibly can. Okay, now it's time for plungers once you've got those all straightened up. Any second now. You know what? I'm just gonna enjoy the music. Oh, yeah. Grab 2 goop. Stick them on right there. Make sure they're not, like, in the crossbow. And attach to them 2 plungers. Stick your 2 plungers very precisely. Make sure they don't go in the crossbow. You don't want anything actually being loaded on the crossbow in this build. Yeah, like that, avoid that. You can save now, I guess. It won't really cost you too much time and effort if you do lose it at this stage. Right, well, now is the hardest part. You will need to get these hook shots on straight and without putting them in the crossbow. Very difficult, as you can see. Oh yeah, definitely save it now if you haven't already. Hook up your controllers and you're good to go. If you want to drop something though, look up so they don't get caught on the crossbows. Just a little tip. Yeah, copy this if you want. Hold on, I gotta do something.
Hey buddy, that was a really informative building section you just did. Gimme.
Anyways, thanks for watching.